Before eating carbohydrate-rich foods like pasta, rice, bread, or even dessert, there's one simple step that can help your body handle them better. It's not a diet, it's not a pill, it's apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 tablespoon into at least 1 cup, about 200 milliliters of water, and drink it 15 to 30 minutes before your high-carb meal. Studies show this can lower your post-meal blood sugar spike by up to 30%. The acetic acid in vinegar slows how fast carbs turn into sugar, giving you more steady energy. It may also help with weight management by keeping you full for longer, which means fewer cravings for heavy, calorie-dense foods like burgers, fries, or sweets after eating. Apple cider vinegar can support healthy digestion by improving stomach acid balance, and it may encourage the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Some research even links regular vinegar intake to better cholesterol and heart health. You can also use it as a salad dressing for a quick flavor and health boost, or add a splash while cooking rice. It can slightly lower the meal's glycemic impact. Always dilute it to protect your teeth and avoid if you have ulcers, gastritis, or severe reflux. Small daily habits like this can make a big difference over time. If you like natural health tips, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.